Jericho, co-producer sa ginagawang documentary film ni Janine para kay Pilita Corrales. May niluluto na pelikula si Jericho Rosales para sa kanila ng kanyang girlfriend na si Janine Gutierrez. We are actually working together now. We are developing a story for film. I can't announce it muna, but you know, we are working on a story, a film that we are developing together. Say ni Jericho sa panayam sa kanya ni Julius Babaw. Ibinida rin ng aktor ang pares nilang hilig sa pelikula. She recently attended a film festival for Love Diaz film, and she's telling me all the stories that happened there and kung gaano siya kabuhay in terms of acting. So we share the same passion when it comes to film. Kwento ni Jericho.
We're actually working together now.
Where? Sir?
Well, we're developing a story
Oh, okay.
for film kami with, I can't announce it muna, but you know, we started, we are working on a story that, a film that we're developing together. But that would be after her show now. She's working on a project now. I'm not allowed to announce it, but she's very busy finishing this project.
Sa katunayan, bahagi na siya bilang isa sa mga producer ng ginagawang dokyo ni Janine tungkol sa namayapa nitong lola at OPM icon na si Miss Pilita Corrales. She's actually currently working with Baby Ruth Villarama. Say niya, dagdag pa niya, it's for a documentary about Pilita Corrales. She's producing that. I am so excited for her, especially Baby Ruth. She's really a good documentary director. Very happy naman daw ang relationship nilang dalawa. We're very happy. We're very supportive of each other. It's always fun times with Janine. She has a very nice family. Very great sets of friends. She's also an actress. So, we got to talk a lot about our craft, our dreams for the industry, our dreams for ourselves, the roles we want to play. Maliban sa pag-arte ay marami pang bagay na pinagkakasundoan nila parehas. We share the same passion sa food and travel. So, it is in the stage wherein we are discovering a lot of things together, which is really nice. Anya pa, sa ngayon ay busy si Jericho sa promo ng kanyang comeback movie, ang Quezon, na mapapanood na sa mga sinihan simula ngayong October 15, 2025. Well, so exciting na nga si Echo sa magaganap sa kanila ni Janine, lalong higit sa mga gagawin pa nilang projects. Kaya abang-abang tayo at for sure maraming pasabog ang Econin. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.